Welcome to Onna Village, one of Okinawa's top resort areas. Blue seas, local food, and cultural experiences. Here are the must-visit spots we explored in 4 days. First stop, Doka Doka. A cozy cafe with amazing sea views. Inside, rolls of blue pottery reminds you of Okinawa's ocean, and the cute shisa decorated dishes make you want to pick them up. Even our tableware was this gorgeous blue pottery. Freshly baked pizza tastes even better with the sea breeze. 癒された。めちゃめちゃうまい。
どうですか？美味しい。
Sitting here, time just seems to slow down. Next, Shimajikan, where you can enjoy real home-style Okinawan food. Sea grapes.
食べてみて。美味しいかどうか。好吃啊！你喜欢海ぶどう？
Goya champuru. Okinawa soba. If you want authentic Okinawan flavors, this is the place.
これ超うまそうだよ。
うまそうだよ。どうですか？
Then we went for a local favorite garlic shrimp. The whole cafe is pink, and the walls are for you to doodle on. The shrimp are juicy and coated in rich garlic butter, Okinawa style, not Hawaiian.
でけえ。プルプルプルプル。
After eating, we left our own marks on the wall as a memory.
ハートめっちゃ見える。はい。
My daughter wrote her name.
プルンって。そうそうそう。
For a little break, we tried Blue Seal ice cream born in the US but raised in Okinawa. Our daughter loved it so much we had it multiple times.
凤梨的好吃吗？
Here is Manzabon, one of Okinawa's most scenic spots. Admission is just 100 yen. Its name comes from the Ryukyu king who said the grassland was wide enough for 10,000 people to sit.
見えてきたよ。
おーすごい。王様の気分になって。
1万人も座れるんだ。左見てください。
Hey, かんちゃん、見て。The cliffs stretch towards the sea in the shape called the elephant's trunk. Sunset here, absolutely breathtaking. Next, Churaumi Aquarium, right by the sea. It has over 700 species and even a whale shark. Standing in front of the massive tank really shows their size. There's a cafe nearby to just sit and watch the shark. Time flies. They also have a real great white shark specimen.
サメ。
And dolphin shows that wow the audience. The show also features a black dolphin. With its large body and powerful dynamic jumps, it instantly captivates the entire audience. At the gift shop, you'll find many limited edition items. Our daughter picked a sea turtle plushie as a souvenir. Then we tried making Okinawa's famous purple sweet potato tarts. You can tour the factory and make them yourself with the sea view. We press the dough, pipe the purple sweet potato, and decorated our box. After waiting for it to bake,
はい、どうぞ。ありがとうございます。はい、ありがとうございます。ありがとうございました。
we enjoyed it fresh out of the oven inside the shop.
はい。どうですか？好吃吗？海も綺麗ですね。
One of our hotels was Rizansi Park Tancha Bay, right by the ocean.
아, でも広い。
開けてくれる？
わー。
みんなずるい。
大きい声で。
みんなずるい。There are several restaurants, and you can even switch your breakfast buffet to your lunch meal instead.
가츠만 봐봐.
Beach in front, and the pools indoors and out. Every night there is Ryukyu drum show, so you really feel Okinawan culture. Even without sightseeing, just staying here is a memory. Our last night was at the Hyatt Regency on Seragaki Island. The whole island is the hotel. Peaceful and quiet.
ちょっともしかしてゆるい？
いや、大丈夫じゃない。Perfect to end up our trip and unwind.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you so much. I usually film the passion and lives of Japanese craftsmen. In my next episode, I take you inside an 8th generation restaurant specializing in river fish cuisine. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.